house hunters visiting single-story detached farmhouse that is 15 kilometers away from Kuşadası. Wake up to a morning with the bird sounds among the fruit trees. May the heat of the sun warm you up. Smell of coffee, cherry blossoms, clean air. 160 square meter net usage area, 140 square meter large veranda. With 2 acres of land, a place that belongs only to you. It has solar energy and 2 cars parking lot. The house has cameras and alarm system, so you will feel safe. Relax on your white patio. Inhale the smell of earth after the rain. Live the farm life to the fullest. Call us today to hear more about this restful farmhouse.